In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Reels outside of Instagram. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I will point out that this process works on any device. I'm using a Samsung Android, but you can do the exact process if you are on iPhone and other phone, doesn't matter. So the first thing you need to do is come on your camera and record your reel, okay, on your camera. You can use any type of video, so slow motion, video, and etc. It depends on your phone. So you need to click right here and record what you want to put on your reel. Okay, in my case, I will just record a black screen, just for example. Okay, so here you will see the time of the reel. Then you just need to stop right here and come on your Instagram. You can also edit your camera video if you want. So to make this, we need to come on Instagram account, swipe to the right, you will come to this page, and here you will see your gallery. You need to click right here and select your video. First, click on reel, okay, and select right here. So I selected the video. Then here you can add music if you want, so click right here, search the music. I will put this one just for example. Okay, search the music, click, done, add, and you make it your reels outside of Instagram. Now you can edit your reel if you want. If you want to increase the speed, you can also add filters and so on. Okay, but next, and post your reel. I hope I helped you how to make reels outside of Instagram. So if this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to receive useful tips.